Introducing the Viper Wire Rope Lubricator, the safest, most effective and efficient lubricator for your wire ropes. Whether it be used on container cranes, mobile cranes, ship winches, ROV umbilicals or any other wire rope application, the Viper will provide the best lubrication solution for your operations. This DVD instructional manual has been designed to assist the users of the Viper Wire Rope Lubricator to safely and effectively lubricate their wire ropes. The manual is divided into 3 sections: assembly, installation and operation. Upon receiving the Viper kit, first remove and identify the following components: a heavy-duty checker plate toolbox, the high-pressure lubricator collar, 4 scraper plates, 2 polyurethane seals, the grease pump kit which includes drum cover and follower plate, 1 3-meter high-pressure delivery hose, 1 1-meter clear excess lubricant hose, the air service unit with gauge and on-off control valve, 2 2-meter anchor chains and 4 D-shackles, 1 pail of Elmasol Wildlife Coating Lubricant, optional, the operating and maintenance manual and this instructional DVD. Once the components have been identified, the next task is to assemble the high-pressure grease pump. Fit the follower plate into the pail and lower it until it touches the top of the lubricant. Place the drum cover on top of the pail and fit the retaining screws. At this stage, only tighten them lightly. Remove the plastic seal from the bottom of the grease pump and place the drum pump carry handle over the barrel of the pump. Now slide the grease pump through the drum cover and then through the installed follower plate. Using the grub screw, fix the carry handle in place and then use the retaining screw to secure the pump barrel to the drum cover. Remove the plastic dust covers from the air and lubricant ports of the grease pump. Fit the air service unit and on-off control valve as shown. Lastly, connect the high-pressure delivery hose to the grease pump outlet. The grease pump kit is now assembled and ready for use. The next step involves the assembly of the Viper collar. Open the collar and insert the seals. Due to the unique design, these seals can be installed in either direction or on either side of the collar. The Viper collar will already be fitted with the scraper plate retaining screws. Remove these and fit the 4 scraper plates to the ends of the collar. The Viper scrapers are sized 2 mm larger than the wire rope size to be lubricated. This ensures clearance between the rope and the scrapers, thereby protecting the seals from broken strands and also removing built-up debris from the ropes. Scraper plates are stamped with their product code number. Finally, fit the clear excess lubricant hose to the male barb fitting on the collar. The Viper kit is now ready for installation. Prior to every use of the Viper Wire Rope Lubricator, it is important to check all components for wear and tear, particularly hoses and seals which may deteriorate over time. It is important to ensure that prior to fitting of the Viper collar onto the wire ropes, that the motor control is locked and tagged out of service. Operation of the crane motor while fitting the collar can cause serious injury to personnel and equipment. Before attaching, ensure the collar is correctly oriented to the wire rope. The rope should enter at the end with the high pressure hose attachment so the direction of travel draws the lubricant through the collar. Begin by opening the Viper collar and placing it around the wire rope approximately 1 meter from the securing points. Tighten the Viper toggles until the seal surfaces are fitted evenly against each other. Use the D-shackles and the chains to secure the Viper collar to identified anchor points. Check all connections are tight. Position the pail of lubricant within 3 meters of the collar and fit high-pressure delivery hose to the collar's quick connect coupling. Check that the on-off control valve is in the off position and then connect the supply air hose to the grease pump. Adjust air pressure to 80 psi on the service unit. Please note, refer to the operation manual for various operating pressures. The Viper Wire Rope Lubricator is now ready for operation. With the wire rope now inching through the collar at a slow speed, begin the pump pumping until lubricant begins to appear on the wire rope and in the excess drain hose. Increase the rope speed to a fixed speed for lubrication while increasing the grease pump speed. The rope exiting the Viper collar should have a smooth, wet coating of lubricant. Continue to increase the pump speed until excess lubricant begins to fill the excess drain hose. Now slowly back off the pump speed until excess lubricant stops. The optimum amount of lubricant is now entering the Viper collar, penetrating the rope and coating the surfaces. The amount of lubricant applied by the Viper Wire Rope Lubricator is controlled by three key factors: wire rope speed through the collar, lubricant pressure, and pump speed, which must be coordinated to achieve optimum penetration and lubricant coverage. Wire rope speed should be kept at a constant rate up to 1000 meters per hour. However, the slower the speed, the longer the dwell time of the wire rope within the collar. Lubricant pressure is controlled by the air service unit and should be set as per the guidelines in the operation manual. The critical adjustable factor is the grease pump speed, controlled by the on-off control valve. By limiting the air volume to the grease pump, you can alter the speed of the pump and therefore the volume of lubricant being applied to the rope. Lubrication engineers and our global Viper distributors are available to provide on-site technical support.